think that was it. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Today I'm going to be turning myself into a vampire because not only do I suck life, I suck at life. Now, we have a lot of options when it comes to vampire costumes. You can either be a creepy old Dracula like you see in movies, or you can be a seductive vampiress, or you can be a sparkle-faced Cullen. I'm choosing option number 2, although it is very tempting to cover myself in glitter. So my vision is a dark smoky eye and a red lip. I've already painted my nails red to match the red lipstick that I bought, although it will be a little bit difficult to do my makeup considering I can't see myself in the mirror. Now, you can't be a vampire without fangs because you have to suck blood. So I bought this. It is orthodontic wax. It's meant to go over braces and stuff, but I really didn't want to glue anything to my teeth for this video because I'm only going to be wearing fangs for like 15 minutes while I shoot and model and, you know, whatever, and suck some blood. And then I'm taking them off because I want to eat and drink and enjoy myself and not have weird fangs in my mouth. So for my face, I'm gonna prime and then put foundation on. I already have pale skin, so I've got that going for me. You know, vampires that you see always have, you know, flawless skin, very even. So that might be a little bit hard to achieve, but we're gonna try. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I feel like if I just keep it real simple, one color, black, how can I go wrong? That's what we're working with. Okay, we're gonna try and blend it out with a brush, just to make it a little more even. I'm sure all the beauty gurus are screaming right now, but I'm just doing my best, okay? I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, go along the bottom, and just put it on real thick. Honestly, just the more black I can get around my eyes, the better. Okay, but like I'm actually totally digging this look. Okay, mascara is the final step for the eyes. Alright, eyes are done. I feel like they've never looked better. I think I'll keep working on the face next. Bought this because I don't really contour that much. I usually just use blush. However, today is about trying new things, and I really want the sculpted cheekbones, you know, the like hollow, like really bony, like vampire look, you know? So we're gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna take this dark powder and I'm just gonna do a 3. I learned this from Bare Minerals. I went into their shop and they put makeup on me and they said that to contour you're supposed to go around and then cheekbones and then jawline. So that's what I'm gonna do, except my bangs are kind of in the way, so that doesn't really matter. So I guess we're just gonna go down here. That actually works. We're in the right direction here. I don't think I'm gonna do any blush because we want the pale skin, but I probably will do just a touch of highlighter. Alright, so we're gonna take a quick break from doing the makeup so that I can do my hair because I don't wanna put in the fangs just yet because I'm not sure how long they're gonna stay in, so I wanna get everything else done first. I'm not gonna do that much to my hair. I am just going to straighten the pieces that are a little bit wild, like around my face. Yeah, bitch. Okay. Honestly, yeah, I'll probably leave the rest of it. I like the volume. I just wanted to like kind of calm down the crazy bits. All right, there you go. That's it. Lipstick time. I got a color as close to blood as I could find. It was surprisingly difficult. I think what I'm gonna do is just dab it on the center of my lips not put it all over because it's like a really bold, bright red. I don't want that everywhere. I think I'm gonna try and make it look like I've been biting someone and then there's like blood dripping. You get it. It's like kind of messy, but I think that works for the aesthetic. I'm gonna take a small brush and then draw little blood driplets. Okay, that kind of looks like shit, but I think that's good. For finishing touch around the eyes, I'm gonna draw an upside down cross because the power of Satan compels me. Voila. Take a section. And just maybe kind of flatten it a little bit to get these like ridges out, because as you can see it's kind of ribbed. So I'm flattening it, and I'm actually just gonna try and cut it into shape. Try and get a nice, oh that works well, a little clean line for the top. Cut some of this off, because my teeth are not that wide. That's pretty good. I just put it on my tooth and it seems to be about the right size, so I'm gonna duplicate this. Now we have 2 wax bangs. I'm gonna dry off my teeth and attempt to stick these on. We'll see what happens. Well, on. Finally fell a while